Hey everybody, welcome back to 19 Realistic Questions during COVID-19. I just wanted to answer this next question, and that is, how in the world does an open house work during COVID? Well, interestingly, I was one of the last open houses before they shut us down in March. Actually found a buyer at an open house on March, I believe it was the 14th, that Sunday, maybe the 15th, something like that. And that was the last open house I was able to do. But I just immediately pivoted when they said you can't do open houses. And I thought, well, I can go through houses. I'm going to just do an open house like I'm talking to a friend and tell them about the property. So I just immediately went to virtual open houses. And so what happens is I create an event on Facebook. I broadcast it and publish that. And then I do a Facebook Live. I schedule it now. They actually have now created a place on the MLS where you can actually schedule it. Before, I just had to do it on a Facebook, in a Facebook way, or on social media. And then, so I put it on the MLS, and then have people join. And so we just walk through the property. We talk about the property perks, and I sometimes leave a little room for questions and stuff. So if somebody wants to know more about certain products or certain parts of the property, I have them ping me later, DM me, call me, or whatever, so that we can talk and I can follow up. Because if there's any real interest, I want to actually have a real conversation with them. And then that just gets housed in social media and on websites, and I can lead capture through those open houses. And what's happened is those virtual open houses, I mean, we used to go to open houses, and if we had 10 or 20 people, it would be like windfall. But now with virtual open houses, I mean, I do a virtual open house, 1 to 10 people will be on the actual live broadcast, but I have one that within hours had 271 hits on it. And so it actually exposes your home to a lot more viewers. So that's how you do virtual open houses. And if you are interested in selling a house and you want to talk about what a virtual process of selling your property looks like, give me a call, 425-268-3353. Thanks for hanging out. It's a blustery day in California, actually, but it's a beautiful day in the Pacific Northwest to sell property. So thanks for hanging out. See you next time.